Good morning, everyone. See what we got on the markets today. Currently in a little short. I want to see if we can reach at least, maybe Asian bottom, right? But we'll see how they want to move this. At least this blunt bottom right here on the 4 hour. What do we do overnight? Right, a little retrace. Did we say that on stream yesterday? Kind of want a rejection right there. Or we also want to maybe a retest of the week. So kind of got that pump right. We had some shorts overnight too that didn't quite work out. Currently still waiting on a little short over here too, just to see if we can retrace into the OTE right here, this leg right there. So let's see if that gives us anything. 618 is going to be our level. We have an inverse fair value gap and a fair value gap right there. It's kind of a balanced price range, right? Or you're going to have a small one test position. We'll see what it does. Bitcoin pumped up nicely. Doge, we took some longs last night on it. Not terrible, right? We're above the daily 4 hour. 4 hours looking much better now. Your daily's looking a lot healthier now as well. Now what we do want to see is some displacement, right? We at least want to get above this weekly open. Above that weekly open is going to be clear skies pretty much for us. In terms of NQ, let's see, what do we have here today? Let's get our levels to the downside outlined. Let's see, on the hourly previous day low, important level. If we're above it, then so we're going to keep going. If we get below it, then watch out for these lows and lower. No, 18,000. We have them outlined over here. Actually, this daily will be 18,865. That's crazy. Kind of those lows. I like that. Let's get back to this. What else do we have on the downside? This blunt candle. That's going to be important because we want to see whether or not it holds when we take that liquidity. Those blunt candles get swept. That's an hourly blunt candle. So it kind of gives us a retrace. You can see that we did not have any displacement above. Don't have any displacement out of these levels. So that's why we want to see it drop down. We did retrace, however, into this fair value gap, not necessarily fair value just because we don't have discount. Still have a gap up here. This would be a great retest level, that previous weekly low, right? But we'll see if we can come up and at least retest these. Let's see for upside. Still a great level. Still a great level to keep. Still want to keep those to the upside. In terms of current, previous weekly low, right? We're still watching that. So let's keep our eye out on for those levels. Let's make sure that we get those. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I know it's a little early. No, we're doing these here and there, but we're gonna try to stick to them on the daily, right? Daily basis. Let's outline these levels, put them into our paper log or the ledger. So if you guys are not following, it's $5 a month. Just get your important levels outlined, kind of our setup. What else do we have? Of anything on like 30. We have a nice little Timmy over here. TBR could possibly happen once we come back into here. Right. We'll want to watch that area. 15-minute. Even this Timmy candle right here. And also watch that. Right. If we do want to continue to the downside, I definitely want to see. Gonna have a little 3 drives pattern right now as well. On keys 1, 2, 3. Right, sweeping liquidity over here. Not displacing above that level right there. So if we want to continue down, maybe a little retrace into this fair value gap and something like that. That'd be pretty cool. Give us a little inverse head and shoulder looking pattern too. Right, as long as we're reversing from this consolidation. Let's see what it does. So our important levels for today. And then we also have news at 10 a.m. So, oh, big stretch. So 10 a.m. news. Let's see. See what we do. All right. So today is 3/11. Switch up our vibes in here a little bit. So upside, I mean, we have all of these liquidities up top. So we want to stay vigilant for those. It's an important one right there. Right. And then, of course, we want to watch this liquidity right here. Or this level, like 18 or 19,570. 19,570.50. $19,570.50. So 570.50. That's almost like a middle of this OB. So I wanna make sure that we do not break that. Continue. So if we displace that level right, we want to look for levels above. Levels above are going to be all of these. This is an important one. 19,790. That's going to be our hourly. So this is a strong draw as price. Strong draw. I'll look for reaction here. Above previous week high. And then this is a solid target. 19,703. 19,703.00. This is hourly FEG and discount. Suspect resistance or breakthrough for higher. All right. Okay. Now for downside, what do we have? This one is 19,392.25. 19,392. 25. This is our early flat bottom below the London lows. Grab this liquidity before reversing higher. 19,272.25. I think I'm at 272.25. That is your previous day low. Break for lower. All right. And then lastly, I want to notate this Asian low right here. Low on this is going to be, so you on here, 19,139.25. 39.25. So want to make sure, so if the London session lows is displaced, watch for that liquidity to be next. And that's what we have on the day today. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you're not in Discord, I suggest you get in there, papertraders.io. If you guys want to follow the ledger, follow our trades, papertraders.io. Best way to follow us, best way to see. We have all the links pinned to my wall on Twitter, so make sure to check it out. If you guys have missed previous live streams, make sure you go check that out. It's going to be under the live tab. All of them are recorded for you to rewatch, so make sure you do so. Learn education. We stream at night. So far we have covered price action basics, we have covered liquidity defined, we have covered market participants yesterday. Days we're going to cover some tools for ICT trading. So check that live stream out tonight. Tune in. We'll see you there. Be there or be square, because if you're square, then you're not around. But on that note, appreciate you guys for tuning in today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.